highly welcome to my channel once again today. Real quick traders, today I am going to share with you guys another powerful strategy that you guys are going to use to trade volatility 75 successfully and profitably, guys. This particular strategy that I'm talking about is very accurate. As you can see, this is a new brown strategy, guys. Look at it here. This is a new brown strategy. All right, this is a new brown strategy, guys. So I've been using it since yesterday, and I have decided to share it with you guys so that you too will try it out and see if you can make some money for yourselves, guys. All right, so I promised you guys that whenever I see or I come across something that is working very fine, I will come here and share it with you guys so that you too will try it out on your own end. So that is exactly what I'm doing right now. So if you are hearing my voice for the first time, or this is your first time of coming across my channel, let me officially introduce myself to you. My name is Olites from globalfx, and what I really do here is when I test something out and I find out that it is working properly or fine, I come here and share it with you guys so that you too will try it out and see how it goes. All right, so just as I said earlier on, if you are new to my channel or this is the first time you are hearing my voice, do me a like button so that YouTube will also push this video to those that are looking for content like this. And if you are new to my channel, as I said earlier on, I believe for sure you have not subscribed to this channel, and if you have not done that, do me that favor and smash that red button below the description of this video and subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload real content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube will notify that I've done or I've uploaded another real content that will assist you in your trading journey. All right, so with that being said, guys, let's dive into the chart. Let me share with you guys how this particular strategy works. All right, so I want you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Do not try to skip any part of this video or try to be smart and do things your own way, guys. The most important thing in any video or in any class or in anything that you are doing is when you pay very close attention to the person that is sharing the information with you guys, you will be able to get or gather all the information that the person is trying to pass through to you guys. So the only thing that you will do for yourself, or the only favor that you will do for yourself right now, is for you to really pay very close attention, and if anything is distracting you, do yourself that favor and do away with that thing. After all, this video is not going to be long. It can only take you 10 to 15 minute time, and you will go back to what you were doing before start watching this video. So I urge every one of you to make sure you watch from beginning to the end and grab all the necessary information. All right, so this is how these tools really works. So I've tested these tools, I've tried these tools and check everything about these tools, and it's working very well. That is why I am sharing it with you guys. So make sure you utilize all these free tools that I'm sharing with you guys, and do not go there and start abusing it. All right, so look at it. It's very self-explanatory, guys. Look at this. All right, so how it works is whenever you see this, all right, whenever you see this blue line from this level 10, all right, whenever you see that it's going up from level 10, and you look at the main chart, when you look at the main chart, you must definitely see something like this. All right, so what you just need to do is for you to open your position. When you open your position, on the process, you might see that this red line, this is our moving average here, is going to cross. Since this particular blue line came down to this level 10 and is now going back up, you will see this red line crossed each other. And what you just need to do, as soon as they cross each other, just open your position, guys. All right, open your position straight up. When you get to this level 78, you take your profit and leave the market. All right, so one other thing that normally kills you guys there is this: you are too greedy. All right, you are too greedy, and you must stop that. Profit is profit, no matter how small, no matter how big it is. It is an added advantage to your capital or to your equity. So whatever profit that you make sure you take your profit and leave the market. And do not shift your chart from one place to another. You can see my chart. You can see my chart as my chart is. Do not shift your chart from one position to another looking for signal. Any signal that you get from shifting your chart that way will not last. It will be a fake out. All right, look at what I'm saying here. Look at another position here. Look at this here. You see this is the blue line. From the level 10 is now going up. You see the crossover. You see that it crossed this red. So as soon as you seize this blue line from this zone going up, you open your position, and if eventually crosses this red line and the blue line is above this red line, you have that confidence. Just stay on the trade until it gets to level this level 78 here. Once you get to level 78, you take your profit and leave the market, guys. As simple as that. Simple strategy that is working very, very perfect. So I want every one of you, please do not go out there and abuse this strategy. All right, do not go out there and abuse this strategy. I've said my own. All right, because most of you will go out there and start doing what you don't know how to do, and you start abusing the strategy because you are trying to be smart and do things your own way. All right, look at the sell option here, or the sell requirement. Look at this blue line here from the level 90. You can see level 90 here. This is the blue line. The blue line now is coming down. What are you seeing at the main chart? All right, it is not all the signals that you see that you are going to trade. Just be careful and select the signals that you trade. If the trend is very, very if the market is on a trending mode and you spot something like this, guys, it's best for you to open your position. Look at it. You can see this here. You see this. All right, so whenever this blue line from level 90 crosses this red line, it means the blue line is below this red line now. So what you just need to do, you stay on that trade until it gets to 22 level, not 10 level, guys. 22 level, you take your profit and leave the market. So that is how you are going to trade this simple strategy profitably and successfully. All right, so now, having shared this with you guys, let me also share the settings with you guys so that you guys are going to set your screen as you are seeing mine now. You set yours this way and start making real money from the market. All right, so come to this F icon here. The first indicator that you are going to add is our RSI. All right, you click on the RSI. The period is 1. Apply to close. Style is 3 pixels. The color of your background, my background is white. That is why you are seeing white background here. All right, that is why you are seeing white color. Sorry. All right, so the color of your background should be your style. Then levels, we have level 90, 10, 78, 22. All right, this is where you add the level. All right, you click on this pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon here, you add your level. Look at the level here. You add the digits that you're seeing here. In case if you come to this place and you met things like this, the old settings that you did, most of you are complaining that it's very hard for you to add new one. What you just need to do, probably you want to delete all this. What you just need to do, you click on this trash icon there. Once you click on the trash icon like this, then you check these bars, these two small bars here. Once you check them, you click on this. All right, you click on this, then it will be highlighted. Right, you can add more levels, but without doing that, it's very, very impossible for you to add another levels. All right, so if you want to delete, just click on the trash icon and you tick the box and you delete. So that is it, guys. So you go back and click done. So you go back to the F icon again. You add momentum, right? add momentum to the indicator. The momentum that you are going to add should be in our indicator window 1, please. So the period is 9, applies to weighted close. Star is 4 pixel blue. Then there is no level here. You click turn. All right. So the next one you are going to add, you click on the F icon again. You add moving average. The period is 21. Shift is 0. Method linear weight. Apply to close. Star is 4 pixel red. Can use color of your choice. You click turn. All right. So last but not the least, you click on the F icon again. You add this envelope. All right. Make sure this place is thick. All right. Make sure this place is thick, and you set the color as you're seeing it right now, so that you will not be confused. Then you click done. That is it, guys. That is the simple strategy. That is what you are seeing here, guys. All right. That is what you are seeing here. So make sure you use the strategy as I instructed, guys, so that you'll be able to make real cash for yourselves. All right. So that is it. And if you also want me to mentor you on how to trade volatility 75 successfully, guys, I can only teach you what I know how to do best. So if you want me to mentor you on how to trade volatility 75 index successfully and profitably, guys, my contact or my WhatsApp information will be in the description of this video. Do yourself that favor and contact me if you really want me to mentor you. Please, it's exclusively for people that want me to mentor them on how to trade volatility 75. All right, so that is it. And if you have any question, you can relate your question to me via the comment section, and I will definitely do all I can to answer your questions and your comments. So that is it, guys. Signing out. Olites. Peace.